Greetings from KidEx. This video will cover the approach to make a valid submission for the National All-Rounder Championship organized by KidEx in collaboration with Atal Innovation Mission, Niti Aayog. This championship is open for all children within the age group of 3 to 17 years. We are proud to collaborate with Atal Innovation Mission, Niti Aayog, who has invited more than 7,000 schools to participate in KidEx National All-Rounder Championship. Invite your friends and family to join the event. Before taking you through submission process, we would like to inform you some important points regarding submitting entries. 1. Submissions are only allowed through our website www.kidex.com. Entries shared through WhatsApp, email, or any other channel are not considered. 2. Submissions will start from 11th of May 2021. Submissions can be made in any order anytime during 11th of May to 31st of July 2021. 3. A participant can aim for bonus marks in the very first submission for a given activity. 4. Kindly ensure that you use age-appropriate submission link. Entries submitted in through the link for a different age group are not considered. 5. While making submission, you will receive a system-generated OTP on your email ID, which is valid only for 120 seconds. Ensure that you have stable internet connection and have ready access to your email. Do keep the 14-character KidEx ID handy. 6. There are up to 2 submissions allowed for each activity. Participants may improve performance by submitting again. Third or any entry made beyond third submission will not be evaluated. We do not make exception to this rule under any circumstance, including cases where wrong file is uploaded or same entry was submitted within short span of time. 7. File size limit for each entry is 100 MB. The size limit is sufficient to handle even 30 minutes of recording. Please see separate video from KidEx on approach to reduce video size. 8. After successful submissions, an auto-generated email is shared acknowledging receipt of entry. 9. In case you did not receive OTP for email verification, use an alternate email ID. Be careful to provide the registered contact number and KidEx ID. In cases none of the 3 information points match with our database, entry will be rejected. Let's now take you to the submission process. Kindly visit our website www.kidex.com and navigate to NARC homepage. On NARC homepage, kindly scroll down and select the appropriate age category. For example, let's select 3 years. This will take you to the activity list page. In the top right side of the web page, you will see the button Submit Entry 3 years. Clicking on this button will take you to the entry submission page for age category 3 years. Scroll down the page and you will see Start button on the submissions form. Clicking on the Start button will initiate the process of submitting entries. On the next page, kindly enter registered email ID. After entering registered email ID, press the Send Verification Code button. A system-generated 4-digit OTP will be sent to the provided email. The email will come from Jot form. Please note that this OTP will be valid for 120 seconds only. Enter the OTP to proceed further. You will also have options to resend code if you haven't received the OTP, or you can change email in case you have entered a wrong email address. Filing in the correct OTP will verify your registered email address. Click Next to proceed. On the next page, please enter the registered contact number. Click Next. On the next page, kindly enter the 14-character alphanumeric KidEx ID of the participant, which you received in the welcome mail. All KidEx IDs start with NARCS21. Click Next. Kindly enter the name of the participant. Clicking Next will take you to the activity selection page. From the drop-down menu, kindly select the activity number for which you wish to submit the entry. After selecting the correct activity, click Next. This is the page where you have to upload your entry. You can either drag and drop your entry or you can simply browse the entry from the file location. We would also like to remind you that the size of submission files should not be more than 100 MB. In cases where multiple files have been requested as part of the same activity, select multiple files and upload in one go for an activity. Multiple files can be selected and uploaded. Do not zip the files. Wait for the file to be uploaded. A blue tick mark will appear against the name of the entry on PC. And on mobile, success will appear next to the file name. Click Next. On the next pages, kindly acknowledge and select Appropriate Sharing option. Click on the Submit button for final submission. Hooray! That's it. The submission has been successfully made. Upon successful submission, a system-generated acknowledging receipt of the submission is sent to the provided email ID, capturing the details of the submission. Hope this information has been helpful. Our team is excited and looking forward to submissions from our participants. Let the focus be on holistic development of our children this summer. #learning from home, #celebrating learning, #NARC. Enjoy the championship and good luck.